Hi, good evening, friends. Today again I'm back on the topic of the engineering economics, and here we are going to solve the further topics of the compound interest problem. Okay, so basically in the first lecture I had completed first and second one. Okay, in the second lecture I have completed third and fourth. Okay, today in this lecture we are going to complete in the fifth and sixth. Okay, and in further lecture we are going to complete the seventh and then some other important question on that. Okay, so let's start in the fifth one, that is equal payment series present worth amount. Okay, so equal payment series present worth amount. Okay, it is written as a p by a, I and n, where a is your present amount, sorry, a is your annual amount, p is your present amount. Okay, I is interest period. Okay, for the n number of year. Okay, the cash flow diagram is written as here in this cash flow diagram. Present, what we are going to do, presently we are going to invest some amount. Okay, sorry, invest now, so it will come down here, invest, and in the future every year second person is going to get income. Okay, I'll explain this. Okay, it is a, that is your annual income, a. Okay, for any year these are number of interest period, and these are I interest rate. Okay, this is your present worth amount. Okay, the easy way to understand this is that suppose some of the institution is there. Okay, that they collected the money, that institution. Okay, that institution yearly they are going to pay same amount of the money to the second person in the form of scholarship. Okay, presently how much he should pay in the bank. Okay, with an interest rate of I for n number of year, so that the second person is going to get equal amount every year for n years. Okay, in other way also you can understand that suppose you are going to provide to one of the person scholarship. Okay, for 4 year. Okay, so presently that money bank is going to provide. Okay, so presently how much amount, okay, that you should pay in the bank. Okay, so that till 4 year that person should get the same amount of the scholarship. Okay, this is the easy way to understand this. Okay, to find that, we are going to find in a present amount. Okay, we are knowing here annual worth. Okay, annual amount we are knowing. Okay, but we are not knowing in a present amount, what present amount I should pay in the bank, so that bank directly give to that person is in the form of scholarship. Okay, yearly. So to find that p we are having a formula, present amount to present worth. To find it, that a, okay, that a we are knowing, that is your annual worth. Okay, annual amount that one is going to gain. It is 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 divided by I 1 plus I to the power n. Okay, same thing here, that a present amount you are knowing, p that, sorry, a annual amount that you are knowing. Okay, but p that is your present amount. Okay, present worth that you are not knowing. Okay, so I am writing here in the top, further divided by a, that is further interest rate, and n number of year, as it is as usual. Okay, so let's solve one of the problem on this topic. So I go for the book. In the book, see here, a person wants to give an scholarship, okay, to poor students to the tune of 25,000 every year. Okay, 25,000 every year one person is going to given a scholar in the form of scholarship. Okay, in the memory of his late father. Okay, he wants to deposit in a lump sum. Okay, means that what percent amount he is going to deposit in a bank. Okay, which make him receive the required amount every year. Okay, so that what that student is going to get that money. Okay, for the next 20 year. Okay, the reserve is amount to grow annually at the rate of interest rate that given 9%. Okay, find a single payment, means that what fixed percent amount I need to pay now. Okay, not every year, only percent amount. Okay, that percent amount that I should pay to the bank, so that in a bank give to that person every year the same amount of the scholarship for a number of year. Okay, so write whatever given. So here it is given, a person wants to deposit give a scholarship to poor student into the tune of the 25,000. So that is annual amount that person is going to get. Okay, so okay, right here. Okay, annual amount A is 25,000 is 25,000. Okay, further here it said to deposit lump sum in the bank or makes the received required amount every year for the next 20 year. Number of years had given. Okay, number of year n is 20. Okay, they had given also interest rate I they had given as a 9%. Okay, they haven't said that it is compounded annually or compounded quarterly. Okay, so take it as compounded annually. Okay, write it here, compounded annually. Okay, so let's find in a percent amount. We are having first draw in a cash flow diagram. Cash flow diagram is here, that one person is going to invest. Okay, you are going to provide to someone, means that you are from you it is outflow, so it is downward with a negative sign. Okay, negative sign, and every year some other person is going to get earn income, so it is upward positive sign. Okay, for n number of year, year is your n20. Okay, right here in this format. Okay, I is your 9%, same amount you are going to get na, so write it a. Okay, a here. Okay, this is your percent amount. Okay, that you need to find, equal to question mark. Okay, you are having that formula that P is given by a 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 divided by I 1 plus I to the power n. Okay, so a percent amount, annual amount you are having 25,000. Okay, 1 plus I, interest rate you are having 9%, so 0.09. Okay, to the power n is your 20 year. Okay, right here 20 minus 1 divided by I is 0.09. Okay, 1 plus 0.09 to the power 20. Okay, put in a calci. Into 25,000. Okay, so you got the amount, percent amount you need to pay at the rupees of 228,213.64. this much percent amount you need to pay. Okay, this completes your problem. Okay, thank you. Okay, now moving further, the sixth one. Okay, that is equal payment series capital recovery amount. Okay, it is written at P, A by P, I and N. Here basically we are not knowing in a percent that annual amount. Okay, if you write in a cash flow diagram here, it is given as P A I'll explain you what is that. Okay, I interest period in number of year. Okay, here it is that present amount. It is easily we can understand that suppose anyone is going to get a loan, anyone who wants a loan. Okay, so present amount is in the form of a loan that he is going to take. Okay, that is income of that person. Okay, income of that person, so it is a positive sign. Okay, and from the next year, okay, so this will be your 1 2 3 4 to a number of year. Okay, from the next year, okay, how much he had to give to return to the bank. Okay, which is with an interest rate of I for a number of year. Okay, basically in this we are knowing in a present amount. Okay, that is in a form of in a loan. Okay, and further from the next onwards, from the next year, what amount I have to return to the bank. Okay, that equal amount, what is that I need to find here. Okay, so to find that, the formula is that A equal to P I 1 plus I to the power n divided by I 1 plus, wait, sorry, it is not a I. Okay, 1 plus I to the power n minus 1. Okay, this is the formula to find that annual amount that I need to pay to the bank, since it is in a expenses that we are going, that is outflow from you, so this is your negative sign. Okay, so let's solve one other problem on this. Problem is here. Okay, okay, here ICICI Bank is offering a rupees 30 lakh, okay, in a form of a home loan to a person to buy a new apartment at an interest rate of 7.5%. okay, compounded annually. Okay, this amount should be repaid in 15-year equal installment, means that equally you have to pay every year. That we need to find the annual installment. Okay, find the annual installment amount the person has to pay to the bank. Okay, so same thing here. First write what given. What is it? ICICI Bank is offering a rupees 30 lakh. Okay, so present amount he is going to get a rupees of 30 lakh. So present amount in a form of a loan, you are going to get rupees 30 lakh. Okay, 30 lakh. Okay, next at an interest rate of 7.5% compounded annually. So interest rate I 7.5% and compounded annually. Okay, compounded annually. This amount should be repaid. This amount should be repaid in 15 year with equal installment. Okay, so number of year n is 15. Okay, 15 year. What we need to find? We need to find final annual installment, means that what annual amount I need to find. Annual installment amount, that is question. Okay, so first draw in a cash flow diagram. Okay, present amount, this you are going to earn as an income, so write upward sign, vertical line. Okay, right, mention here P is 30 10 raised 5. Okay, that is 30 lakh. Okay, further equal annual amount that you need to pay to the bank. Okay, so right here vertically downward. Okay, for n equal to 15 year. Okay, a okay, n is your 15 from next year na, so this is your 0%. Now you are going to get 30 lakh. Okay, further from next year you are going to return to the bank 2 3 4 5 up to n, having an interest rate of 7.5%. okay, so substitute this in your formula is there your p I 1 plus I to the power n divided by 1 plus I to the power n minus 1. Okay, present amount is 30 lakh. Okay, interest is 7.5%, so it is a 0.075. okay, 1 plus 0.075 power n, n is a 15 year. Okay, 15 divided by 1 plus interest I, that is a 0.075 to the power n, n is a 15. Okay, minus 1, put it in calci. So you're going to get annual amount 3339861.70. okay, means that 3,39,861 rupees you have to pay to the bank annually. Okay, okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, thank you very much.